Ahmedabad. Places to visit in Ahmedabad. The Juma Masjid. Situated on Gandhi Road in Ahmedabad, Juma Masjid is one of the finest architectural specimens found in the city. It is believed that this yellow sandstone mosque was built using pieces from the vandalized Hindu and Jain temples. The mosque has 260 pillars that are covered with intricate carvings, and the interior of the shrine is illuminated by natural lights. The poles. Poles are the tightly packed conglomeration of houses built to ensure safety and security of the people. The most famed pole is situated near the Manek Chowk. In many poles, one would find a personal temple built at the center and chubutro. Today, many poles have been converted into cottage industries, so one may find people on the steps hand sewing books or crimping the silver. Sarkhej Roja. At a short distance from Vishala complex is Sarkhej Roja, which is a beautiful complex of tombs and pavilions. The complex is built around an artificial lake made for the rulers of Gujrat. The prominent tombs here include that of Ahmad Shah's spiritual advisor, Sheikh Ahmed Khattu. Teen Darwaza. Situated southeast of the Bhadra Fort in Ahmedabad. Was the entrance to the Royal Square or Maidan Shahi, where the royal processions and polo games were once held. Today the Teen Darwaza straddles the road, which is replete with shops selling block prints, silverware and other small items. Kankaria Lake. Reckoned to be the largest lake in Ahmedabad, Kankaria Lake is located in the southern part of the city. The lake is an ideal picnic spot for families as the lakefront has been developed into an entertainment zone. As it has features like a zoo, toy train, kids city, tether balloon ride, water rides, water park and other entertainment facilities. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary. About 60 km from Ahmedabad, Nal Sarovar is reckoned to be one of the largest bird sanctuaries in India. Sprawling over an area of 115 square km, Nal Lake and the surrounding marshy forests attract about 250 species. In winters, many migratory birds like bluish-grayed and moselle crane gather here in large numbers from Siberia. Interesting facts about Ahmedabad. One of the places that is most famous in Ahmedabad city, Sabarmati Ashram, is one of the residencies of Mahatma Gandhi. Ahmedabad is widely known as the textile hub of India. As a result, there are loads of great wholesale markets for clothing. One of the oldest mosques in the city, built in the year 1414 and was named after the founder of the city, Ahmed Shah. A busy shopping market in the morning and a yummy street food place at night. This place serves all the different types of snacks in the city. During the 11th century, the Solanki ruler of Patan won war against King Bhil of Ashol and established the city named Karnavati. The logo of State Bank of India is a blue circle with a small cut in the bottom which depicts perfection in the common man. IIM Ahmedabad was the second city to build an IIM after Calcutta in 1961. It is one of the leading business schools in India and in Asia Pacific region. This restaurant in Lal Darwaza area of Ahmedabad wants you to eat with the dead. The restaurant is built on a graveyard that was there years ago. Before Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad was the capital city of the state of Gujrat. The capital was moved to Gandhinagar in 1970.